Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with my UNIWIG. This is today's packaging of what I got. So firstly, I'm seeing the wig, and then we got a few goodies, just a few. I got 2 clips, perfect for using when styling, edge brush and comb, and a pair of HD wig caps. Now this is today's wig, guys. Let me tell you how excited I was for today's wig. It's so gorgeous. It's a 13x6 Swiss lace super hairline pre-bleached knots wig, and as I said, it's a Burmese curly texture. Now look at the front, is perfectly plucked, has an adjustable elastic band on the inside. The lace is already pre-bleached. It has a very nice deep parting. As I said, it's a 13x6. The customization looks really good. You know, it has some combs inside for security and adjustable straps in the very back. The wig look good, me not tell a lie. Top tier wig, top tier wig. Also right now, the Burmese texture, curly texture, is very much trending. It is so soft, guys. It's so pretty. Look at that. Super soft, super silky, very full. Okay, I love it, and it is 180%. This 180% density is giving 200. I'm not going to lie, for 180 it's very full, extremely full. What I was doing right here is just cutting away the excess lace in the back because we don't need that, so I could proceed with applying. So for today's application, I'm using glue, and I'm just lining up the wig with my natural hairline so that, you know, everything looks natural and just applied properly. You guys know the first step to me doing my application is always to ensure that the ear portion is aligned properly. So I did go in and cut away the excess on the sides around my ear so it could sit well comfortably in that area. And yeah, I didn't do any baby hairs, any swoops or anything like that, and you guys will see in a few. This wig, the hairline is so natural looking. So not, I feel like a lace like this is perfect for like if you're getting married, just a timeless occasion, you know. So I was just showing you guys how I'm cutting away the excess lace and make a parting, and this is a really easy way to kind of measure up how to cut it away. You could even do this off your head to make it even easier, but yeah, you know, I've been doing this for a while, you guys know it, so it's not that hard for me to kind of like just, you know, do a rough cut. But yeah, so you see how easy and how perfect that fit around the ear. I'm using the Hold Me Down glue from Erica J's line, and this is what I used for today's installation. I did 3 layers of this, but I only showed 1 on camera. Super secure. I allowed each layer to dry down to a clear look, you know, and yeah, it was really easy to work with. You guys know the vibes. So basically, as I said, we're working with a Swiss lace today, and Swiss lace is easy to melt to your skin tone. All right, so in recent years, both Swiss lace and HD lace products have become very popular. As you guys know, these types of laces are thinner than the regular lace, right? They blend easily with our natural skin tone and require little to no modification. All right, currently there is only one machine in the world capable of producing authentic Swiss lace. This machine is located in the UK but belongs to a Switzerland company. Many people have tried to produce Swiss lace with other machines but have failed. This is why Swiss lace is so rare and expensive, and I know you guys know that. Yes, Swiss lace is a pricey kind, and I always tell you guys that it's my favorite. It's the most natural looking. All right, as people try to produce something similar to Swiss lace and fail, they develop HD lace, which is just slightly thicker than Swiss lace. HD lace also blends well with the skin, and to the naked eye it's almost indistinguishable due to the minimal difference of thickness. When this breakthrough occurred, Swiss lace and HD lace products became trendy, which explains why products made with Swiss lace and HD lace started gaining popularity about 5 to 6 years ago. So look at that meltdown, guys. Look at that meltdown. Like, oh my gosh, I just told you, super thin. So you also need to be very careful when working with Swiss lace, because as I said, it's thinner, so you don't want to be too rough. I'm so excited right here, and you know, tear the lace, or so it's delicate, you know. And I mean, that's self-explanatory. What do you expect? You want a lace that is going to look like it's non-existent, it's not there, you don't want to see the grids, so naturally it's going to be thinner. So you need to be a little bit more gentle when working with this lace in order to prevent any damage, you know. UNIWIG says that their company has always had a partnership with this Switzerland company, so they purchase genuine Swiss lace directly from them. all their lace is authentic Swiss lace, and they need to place their orders at least 6 months to a year in advance. Therefore, every piece of lace is precious and rare. Okay, and I am just happy to know that I'm working with a wig like this today. So I applied some water here to the wig itself. Guys, do you see how this, I wish you could feel it. I wish you could. Believe me, no man, when I tell you, say that area is one of them wigs where I have for a long time. I can feel it. The shedding was on a minimal level, but these curls were so easy to brush out. It doesn't get tangly easily. It's super soft. Like, I love when wig companies truly take pride in producing the best quality possible. The lace really isn't that visible right now, as you guys can see, you know. So, and next thing I should tell you guys is that since many sellers cannot purchase Swiss lace and only have access to HD lace, they have started telling customers that Swiss lace is not as good as HD lace. Some customers have believed this information and began requesting only HD lace products, avoiding Swiss lace, but this information is incorrect. See, I'm happy that I could educate you guys on all of this. I'm happy because in all my time of working with wigs, different wigs, you guys know I've always told you that Swiss lace is the best, you know, but it's also so rare. So I'm happy that I could remind you guys about this today. I really hope you guys found that super informative. Still here finessing the hair and just making everything come together. But guys, you get a wig like this in your hands, cherish it, care it properly. And you guys already know the vibes. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher.
That's pretty much it. I did highlight the middle part there a little bit because it wasn't that visible before. So yeah, but this is how everything is looking. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Love it. MyUniwig, you did your thing. I think this is a top tier wig. Listen, man, just go ahead, check out my description box so you can find all the details to this wig, the direct link if you're interested in purchasing it. That's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.